Hey guys, it's me once again, and a lot of people liked my video from what I heard in the comments, well, on Facebook. But, so today, it's the second day, and I'm only showing Anna in this video. I think I only showed Anna in the last video too. No. I'm only showing Anna in this one. Something. I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about Anna. If I've already done this, then I'll show you guys some other stuff. Okay, so this is Anna. Where we got her first name was from Ariel, and then I decided to change it to Amy. And then it finally got to Anna, which I'm going to stick with Anna. Her face. Isn't she cute? She has mittens and socks. So yeah, isn't that face adorable? She likes to jabber a lot, just like Squeaky. So yeah, that's pretty much all about Anna. And Anna is officially about 2 weeks old. 19 days old. It's about 3 weeks. Correct me if I'm wrong. Oh, look! Red! You can still see it! Whoop, whoop! Isn't she cute? Anna! Oh, that's her butt. She's trying to take a nap, but I won't let her. Oh, and happy Father's Day to fathers out there. I don't know who fathers are, so. Great teeth. I got at least teeth, it's a sign. Ha 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 ha. Yeah. Ooh, my DS. My DS isn't charging. My DS. So yeah, that's pretty much. I keep doing that, and I don't know why. Did I get over here? Yeah. Okay, so that's all that I basically have for today. I hope that you guys liked it. And once again, this video was about la 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 la.